So guys, here you can see one more video I came about the HTML, sorry, not HTML, Python, and in today's Python video, in the sample functions, I'm telling you about the triangles. If you don't know what is that, so please like this video. Then in today's video, your whole concept will be clear about it. What sample functions in the sample function, what are triangles. So please hit the like button, share friends, and subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to all the notification bell also. So in our method, this type of Python videos. So now, without taking or any time and without taking or any much time, so let's move to computer screen and let's learn about in the sample functions what are triangles. So let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with loving. So guys, in the Python video, I'm telling you about the sample function. In the sample functions, I'm telling you the triangles. We don't know what is that and why we use that. So in today's video, your whole concept will be clear about it. So let's learn about it. Here is some sample HTML. Here are some sample Python functions to work with triangle, including checking the type of a triangle, calculating the area, and validating if three sides can form a triangle. First, function to check if three sides can form a triangle. This function uses the triangle inequality theorem, which states that the sum of any two sides of a triangle must be greater than the third side. Like this one code, let me copy it and let me create a new window, and let me create a one file by the name of index.py, and I'm making this file on my documents. And when I make this file, so then I'm writing this code like def is triangle, then a comma, then b comma, then c, and then I'm writing like double commas and then enter. In the double commas, I write like check if three sides a comma, b comma, and c can form a triangle dot. And then I'm writing here written a plus b greater than c and a plus c greater than b and b plus c greater than a. And when I write it, and let me remove it, save it and run it. So now it not give me any type of output because I do not write any that type of thing. It give me the output. Number 2, function to determine the type of triangle. This function classifies the triangle as equilateral, isosceles, or scalene based on length of its sides. Like this type of one code, here you can see it. Okay, like in this code, let me show you what we have written. Let me show you. First of all, we define a def triangle. Okay, let me erase it. Let me come on my notepad and let me do the code side by side. And now here I am writing now my code. First of all, I write like a def like triangle, def triangle, then underscore types will be a comma b comma c, then ratio, and then here we write enter. Here we define the comment like determine the type of triangle given side length a comma b comma then and c. Then here I like dot, then here I like assumes a comma b comma and c can form a triangle dot, and then here I like if a equals to b equals to c, then return the equilateral, and then here we define elif a equals to b or b equals to c or a equals to c. Then return shall be isosceles, and then here I write like else shall be written, and here I am writing like in the double comma scallion. And then when I write this and now I am saving it and then run it. So now when you write this code and now let me show you what you can do now. Number 3 is function to calculate the area of triangle using the Heron's formula. Heron's formula allows calculating the area of triangle where all three sides are know the formula is. Like this is our one formula. Where the SS is the semi-perimeter, calculate as like this. Like here you write this type of one code, and to write this code first of all you import the modules, like come here Visual Studio Code, and then let me show you what you can do, like do not remove it. Here you only remove this comment, and in the comment you write like calculate the area of a triangle with side length, and then side length A, B, and C using Heron's formula. And when you write it and then you will be dotted and then enter press, and then you write like assumes A, B, and C can form a triangle, then dot, and then here I am removing it, and when I removing it I am giving the space, then as equals to then A plus B plus C then divided by 2, then area equals to math dot sqrt then s, then multiply by then s minus a, then multiply by s minus p, and then multiply by s minus c, and then here you write like return shall be round, and then here we write like area 2. Save it, and when I'm writing here save and then run it. Like that you can write it. So now when you come here, now here what we can do, here we calculate the area of triangle with side lengths like ABC, and using the Heron's formula assumes ABC can form a triangle. Okay, now come here. Number 4, we combine the function for triangle validation type and area. Here is function that brings it all together. It checks if a triangle can be formed and then finds the type and area. Okay, like this. Okay, this is the one syntax. Let me copy it and then paste it, and then open your Visual Studio Code. And then in your Visual Studio Code, so let me tell you what you can do. First of all, slide by slide it. And when you do it, so first of all, I am not writing here any comment. Okay, I am only writing here if not is, then triangle, then A, B, C, then return in the double commas not a triangle, then enter, then here we write like T type, then type, here we write like equals to triangle, then here I am writing like type, and then A, B, then C, and then area equals to triangle, and then here we write like area will be A, B, then C, and here I am writing return, and then here I am writing F, then here I am writing type, and when I write here type, here we am writing like type, and when I write type, here we write this, and then we have bracket, then T, and then type, and when I write this type of code, and then I am telling you what we can do, then comma, then area, then I am writing the ratio, and then in the bracket I am writing the area. And then when I write it this, and now let me show you what we can do, enter press and enter press, and we write like hashtag example usage, and when I write it, and here I am writing A, B, then C, then equals to 3, 4, then 5, and then result equals to analyze, then here writing like double commas, underscore triangle, and then equals to a comma b comma c, and then print the result. So you write this code, and when you write this code, save it and run it. So it give me that this triangle is not analyzes. Okay, it give me the name error. So go here in the command prompt and write here pip install is triangle. Then it will be start to downloading. Then I hope it not give you the error. Then you will be run it. Now let's come on it here. Example output will become like this. These functions cover the basic of triangle validation, classification, and area calculation. Okay, so here you can see in today's video I told you about the in the sample function about the triangles. I hope you can enjoy this video. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share, and subscribe to my channel. And never forget to all the notification bell also to never miss any future related videos. So without taking on any time, I meet you in next class. And next very amazing that type of videos. So for today, goodbye.